What if I could tell you that you could fall asleep faster, you could ease anxiety and reset your nervous system just with one simple breath pattern? I'm talking about 4-7-8 breathing, and it's a simple technique that takes less than a minute to learn and can really change how you feel, like within moments. I'm Kelsey Matheson. I'm one of the founders and owners of Anamaya Resort in Costa Rica. I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a life coach, I'm a business coach for women wellness entrepreneurs, and I'm passionate about sharing tools that support us throughout our crazy busy days and our busy lives, that support your mind, your body, and your spirit. Because many of you are navigating a lot, right? Maybe some of you are launching a business, or you're like me, or navigating this crazy world called perimenopause. So I'm going to guide you through one of my favorite nervous system reset tools, essentially. I use it almost every night before bed. And I also use it throughout the day when I just feel like I need a moment of calm. So it's a really simple breathing pattern. And the reason why it's called 4-7-8 breathing is because you inhale through your nose for a count of 4. You hold onto that breath for a count of 7. And then you slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 8. And this breathing technique was popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil. And it's based on ancient yogic pranayama practices. And it's just incredibly effective for calming your mind and your body. So it works because it helps you regulate your autonomic nervous system. And that's the part of your body that controls stress and also relaxation, right? So the longer exhale, when you exhale longer than you inhale, it creates this calming effect, right? It triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest system, telling your body that it's safe to relax. And then that will lower your cortisol levels and will reduce your heart rate. And then holding on to your breath increases CO2, right? So that naturally increases the carbon dioxide in your blood, oxygenates your blood, and that enhances oxygen delivery and, to your cells and your organs, and improves cellular metabolism and just an overall feeling of calm. And it also activates the vagus nerve. A lot of people are talking about the vagus nerve, right? This breathwork stimulates the vagus nerve, helping to reduce anxiety, improve mood, and promote a feeling of safety and relaxation. And if you're not sure what the vagus nerve is, let me know in the comments. I can create another video that talks a little bit more about the vagus nerve. If there's anything else that you have any questions about breathwork, about health, wellness, let me know in the comments. I would love to create more content specifically for things that you are interested in. So I use 4-7-8 breathing right before bed. I'm in bed, I'm lying down, my head is on the pillow, and then I will use this technique. A lot of people will call it a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. Or if you wake up in the middle of the night, again, any ladies who are dealing with perimenopause and waking up 3 a.m, wide awake, this is a great time to use this system or this breathing technique as well. Or if you have a big event or a big presentation and you're feeling nervous, this is the perfect breathing technique to use for that. Maybe you had an emotionally challenging conversation and you're heightened or you're triggered and you can tell you just need some calm. 4-7-8 breathing is great for that. Or anytime you just feel like, I need to slow down my mind. I need to tap back into my body. And it's really effective when practiced twice a day. And again, like many people find it's the easiest breathing technique to use. They want to fall asleep fast, naturally. So what I typically will do when I'm falling asleep is I'll do 4 full rounds of breathing. You can increase it to 8, right, as your lungs strengthen. But what I'll do typically is I'll do it for 4 rounds. And then I'll just lay there calmly with my natural breath. And then I'll do another round of 4, and then I'll lay there calmly. And then I'll do another round of 4, and then I usually just fall asleep at some point. So let's practice this together. You can sit, you can lie down, however you feel. Just find yourself in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders and just take a deep breath. Unclench your jaw, and you're going to want to place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth, and keep it there the entire time. And remember, we're going to inhale through the nose and we're going to exhale through the mouth. So let's begin. You're going to inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just let your breath return to normal and just notice how your body feels. So that was 3 rounds. Like I mentioned, typically before I go to bed while I'm lying there, I'll do 4 rounds and then just allow my breath to return to normal, and then do another 4 rounds and allow my breath to return to normal. And if you find the 7 or 8 count challenging at first, then you can inhale for 4, you could hold for 5, and then you could exhale for 6 and kind of work your way up to a full 4, 7, 8. Or if you're brand new at this, or you have sensitive lungs, you could breathe in for 2. You could also do 3. But if you're extra sensitive or you're brand new, inhale for 2, hold for 3 or 4, and then exhale for 4 or 5, and then gradually build up. Because essentially, the ratio matters more than the actual length at first. But as you start to strengthen your lungs, you'll be able to do 4, 7, and 8 without a problem. This breath really is a gift. It's like a built-in way to regulate your nervous system and reconnect with your body, no matter what's going on in your life, right? And we're all dealing with a lot. Life is busy. Life is stressful. For most of society, we're in this chronic state of fight or flight. So this tool is super helpful. And if you are you're really loving it, share your stories in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, explore more of the breathing practices that we've done, the wellness tools, the yoga classes here on the Anamaya channel. And of course, if you're ready for a deeper reset in paradise, when many of our guest yoga teachers, our retreat leaders, will incorporate breathwork into our retreats at Anamaya. You're surrounded by nature, you're nourished with fresh farm-to-table food, you practice yoga, if you'd like, overlooking the ocean. You connect to a like-minded community. It's just a really beautiful way to nourish and take care of you. So many of us are putting everyone else's needs before their own, and we're burning the candle at both ends. Anamaya is a place for you to take care of you. So we would love to welcome you to Anamaya in Costa Rica. Thank you so much for breathing with me today. And until next time, be well.